So today we'll be discussing the recruitment of faculty, that is assistant professor and associate professors in Delhi Technological University, New Delhi. So this university is a state government university. So let's go through the vacancies first. So this is in the discipline of computer science and IT and software engineering. So this is the detailed number of posts. So you can see that in computer science there is only vacancies for associate professor, and this is the category wise vacancies. So four are unreserved, four are OBC, two SC, two ST, and one is PWD unreserved. Total 13 vacancies. In IT department, there is only vacancies of associate professor, and total four vacancies are there, out of which one is OBC, one is SC, one is ST, and one is PWD OBC. In software engineering department, there is five vacancies of assistant professor and four vacancies of associate professor. So the last date to submit the online application is 9th August, and you have to send the printout of filled application form along with the documents, and that should reach within 10 days. That means that last date to get the application at their end is 18th August. So this is the qualifications, eligibility basically for the associate professor. They are required along with the PhD. They require at least 6 research publications in SCI journals or UGC or AICT approved list of journals, and these are the various branches or disciplines for which your BTech and MTech degrees would be eligible. And regarding the experience for the associate professor, they require 8 years of teaching or research experience, out of which at least 2 years shall be post PhD experience. So please carefully note this. And so there are some constraints, or there are some leniencies in the experience, so you can go through that. Okay, the age limit is 50 years for the associate professor. Now coming to the assistant professor, so the and also sorry, the for the associate professor the pay scale is level 13, that is 131,400, and for the assistant professor the level the pay scale, it's so basically they are giving 7th pay commission, and the level is 10 for the assistant professor. For the assistant professor, the eligibility essential qualification basically comes as MTech, so PhD is not mandatory for that. Okay, uh, and these are the various disciplines for which your BTech and Tech degree should be in this discipline. The age limit is 35 years, and no experience is such required for this assistant professor post. Okay, this is the table for from which you can calculate the score for your profile, and based on this score actually they shortlist the candidates usually. Okay, so they have not mentioned any test so far for the assistant professor post or associate professor post. Oh sorry, yeah, here it is mentioned there shall be a screening test for the post of assistant professor exempt, except for those exempted under the clause 7. So what is the exemption? So the exemption from screening test for the purpose of recruitment for assistant professor is granted to the candidates having PhD degree in relevant branch, and the candidate has at least one publication in category 1, or 2 in publications in category 2, or 5 publications in category 2 and 3 taken together. So they are basically saying that first of all, for the associate professor there will not be any screening test, but for the post of assistant professor there would be a written screening test, and those candidates who are having PhD degree, and they are having at least one publication in this category, or two publications in this category, or total 5 publications in combining category 2 and category 3, then those candidates, if they apply for assistant professor post, so they are exempted from the screening test. They can directly qualify for the interview. Okay, so you can carefully note that. And so they have also mentioned the so basically they are here in this point weightage in screening test. So they're saying that for those candidates who couldn't exempted from the screening test but has some weightage, then they can uh, they would be given some weightage in the screening test. That means for example, so this list would be displayed later after filtering the applications. So what they do is that after filtering out the applications and posting the eligible candidates for the screening test, so if those candidates who are having PhD degree and some publications, but they could not exempt from the screening test as per the constraints mentioned, then they would be given some weightage according to their publications in the screening test. Okay, so you can go through this advertisement and submit. The deadline is, although as of now you have around 25 days, but don't push it to the last moment. So this is the link from where you can apply for the associate professor post online. So you have to first register yourself to this link, and then you have to fill the application form after login. This is the link for the assistant professor post. So again, same thing. First you have to register here, and then you get your credentials, login credentials, and then you log in and fill the application form. So here you have to log in and fill the application form. So I'll share all the links, submission links, and then you can